And then what? This one, Papa Baba Ma. Kampana. Kampana is shaking or vibrating. Kampana. Kampana, kind of shaking. And Pa, Pavagga, right? Pa, Pa, Ba, Ba, Ma. Pa, Pa, Ba, Ba, Ma. Ma. It becomes Ma. Kampana, shaking. Amba. Amba. Amba means mango. I used this several times, so you actually you need to pronounce it yourself, and then your own voice you need to listen to, and then your system will recognize it. Oh, I know this amba. So the more you pronounce, the more you repeat, your system will recognize it easily, right? So amba, amba, yeah, mango. So here also B and M. Now you see Sankappa, Sangha, Vanchaka, Sanya, Kantaja, Manduka, Dantaja, Vandati, and Kampana and Amba. So if somebody asks any of you, why is it like this? Can you explain? Can you explain to them? If somebody asks you why this ang sound is represented by different letters in Pali words in the middle, can you explain?
Because of the rule. Because of the rule.
Yes. Yeah, because of that Vagga rule, right? So Vagga ending letter will represent the ang sound. When any of the Vagga letter is followed by the ang sound. Is it clear? Okay. Now, this is all what we have, all the variations that we have of K sound. Okay, when we take one single letter K, this is what we have. How many? Ka, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Ke, Ko, Kang. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 variations are there, right? So I have put all of them. Maybe we can practice. Can we practice together? Yes? Yes? Okay. Louder, okay? Louder. Ka.
Ka.
Ka. Ki. Ki. Ku. Ku. Ke. Ko. Kang. Ka. Ka. Ki. Ki. Ku. Ku. Ke. Ko. Kang. Ga. Ga. Gi. Gi. Gu. Gu. Ge. Go. Gang. Ga. Ga. Gi. Gi. Gu. Gu. Ge. Go. Gang. Nga. Nga. Not nya. Nga. Yes. Not na. Not nya. Nga. So what happens here? Nga. Nga. It is here, okay? Nga. 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 You don't touch your tongue anywhere. Nga. 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 Okay? But if you say nya, you make a difference. If you say nya, you see the tongue is, some part of tongue, especially the beginning part of the tongue is touching. Nya, kind of mid. Nga. Yes. You can say na is a dental or, mudhaja. So, na, not na. Nga. Yes. Tongue is free here. Nga. Right? Okay, good. Can you? Okay? Nga.
Nga.
Yes? Yes? Nga.
Oh.
Nga. Nga. Yes, nga. One more time. Nga. You don't use your tongue, okay? Nga. Nga. It is between a and na, right? Kind of a and na. A. So it's not a, it is not na. Nga. Nga. Yes?
Nga.
Yes?
No. No.
Nga.
No.
You see, you can feel if your tongue is touching somewhere when you read that. When you did, right? Yeah. Can you do it without touching your tongue? Without touching your tongue anywhere? Nga. Yes. Would you like to help?
I don't know. I say just not touching anywhere.
Yeah. Nga.
Stick your tongue in the middle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nga.
Here.
Yeah, try. Yeah, kind of. It is getting, but you don't pronounce it. Yeah, try it one more time. Nga. Yeah, so something like nga. Something like that. Yes, yeah. Try that way.
Like it sounds stuck in somewhere. Like,
Yeah, you say nga. Can you try now? Not nya. So you take some time. Like, nga. Say like that. Nga. Nga. Just open it. Nga. 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 So can you say Yeah. Then say just a. Okay? Just say a. A. So it's a combination of and a. Nga. Okay? You got it? Yes. A. Not ya. Yeah. Yeah, just a. A. Nga. 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 If you know your tongue touching somewhere, that's not ng sound. Ng. Right? Ng. Alright, let's go to the other one. Nga. Nga. Ngi. Ngi. Ngu. Ngu. Nge. Ngo. Ngang. It's kind of challenging, right? What is it?
Like cow.
Like cow, yeah. Different animals, so they make some sounds like that. Yes. Meow, meow. Yeah. This one, nga, nga, ngi, ngi, ngu, ngu, nge, ngo, ngang. Okay, this one, even more fun. Cha,
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 chi,
chi,
chi, chu, chu, che, cho, chang. Okay, the other one is more aspiration. Cha,
cha,
cha, chi,
chi,
chi, chu,
chu,
chu, che, cho,
cho,
chang.
chang,
Okay, ja,
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 ji,
ji,
ji, ju,
ju,
ju, je, jo, jang. Okay, when we say Jesse, this is J sound. When we say Janice, this is J sound. Okay, J.
ja,
But when we say the other one, we pronounce the other one with more aspiration. One more time. Ja,
cha,
ja,
cha,
jha, jhana, jhana, right? So, jha, jha, jhi, jhi, jhu, jhu, jhe, jho, jhang. Yeah, maybe some of these words are like Chinese or Vietnamese or whatever. Some words of your languages, right?